Hey guys, just wanted to quickly share with you a cool new feature YouTube is rolling out right now that allows you to add chapters to your videos. Now, you've always been able to type timestamps into the description of your videos, and if you do it in this format, it turns into a clickable link so people can skip to certain parts of the video. But a lot of people don't look in the description, so now YouTube's made it possible so that the chapters can appear in the timeline for the video like this. So hopefully I'm about to answer every question you may have on this new feature, but if you are a YouTube creator and you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing as I have a bunch of videos on the way specifically about growing your channel and monetizing even with a small audience. But anyway, on to question 1. How do I use the feature? Well, you need to add timestamps to your YouTube description in this format, so the time each chapter starts using a colon, followed by the name of the chapter. However, the key is if you want it to appear in this new format, you need to add 00:00 as the first chapter. Because as of right now, if you start it with 1 second in or any timestamp after that, this won't work. So if you are deliberately trying to avoid this feature and keep it how it used to be, then you can do that by just not including the 00. Number 2, why isn't it working for me? Or why can't I see this feature on this video right now? The reason is this feature is still in testing mode. YouTube almost always roll out new features in stages because that allows them to test the response it gets before rolling it out to everyone, and also to fix any bugs that may happen. So if on this video right now you're not seeing chapter titles when you scrub along the video timeline, your YouTube just hasn't updated yet. There's no indication that this is based on channel size or anything like that, and you don't need to turn anything on. It's just gonna either show for you or it won't, depending on whether your YouTube's updated yet. Number 3, will this feature be permanent? Obviously, as it's still being trialed and rolled out, we can't say for 100% certain, but pretty much all the feedback I've seen has been very positive and basically saying this just makes sense as a feature, so I'm pretty sure it's here to stay. And I like that the creator essentially has the choice whether to use it or not. Number 4, so should you use it? I don't think there's any need to go overboard here and just use it for the sake of it, but definitely on longer videos or videos that have very distinct parts, it makes sense, right? I suppose from a more selfish watch time perspective, you could argue it may mean some people just skip to the bit they're most interested in and don't watch the rest of the video, but to be honest, I think most people would appreciate you using chapters, and so overall I think it's going to be a good thing to use. Certainly on podcasts, I'm hoping that creators use this feature, as I'd probably watch more of their content if they had this. Because I might not have 2 hours to listen to the whole thing, but I'd gladly listen to the 10 minutes where they talk about something I'm really interested in. So there you have it. I think YouTube have introduced a feature that's actually gonna go down pretty well, which is a nice change. I hope this video was helpful. Please drop a like and a comment if it was, to help send all the right signals to our almighty overlord, the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.